who have participated. Heartfelt congratulations to all the teachers who have been putting commendable amount of efforts in the last 15 days. Keep the applause going. Thank you very, very much. A very warm welcome to the members here of the committee. A very warm welcome to the teachers here, to the students and the support staff. Thank you very much for being here. I understand it is the pandemic scenario, but at the same time, we as Indians are celebrating our 75th Independence Day, and it's a great matter of pride for each and every one as an Indian. I believe change is necessary. The best part I like about the flag is the central chakra, which has got the 24 spokes. What does it indicate? What does the 24 spoke indicate? 24 spokes indicates the chakra, the 24 hours that we have in our day. When we say the chakra moves. As long as it is moving, there is movement, there is growth, there is development. The moment the chakra stops, then there is stagnation. Let us keep the chakra rolling in our Navodaya family. I here take the opportunity to announce that our school has bagged the Best Managed School Award given by Global Excellent Education. Now, 2 years is a long time, and we have been doing amazing work, commendable work, but we did not get recognition. If you remember, during the orientation, I had told you that we are applying for the school awards. Yes. Now this award we have bagged because we have been managing the school in the limited amount of resources that we have. 1,000 rupees as a fees, 18,000 rupees over the year. ₹18,000 across the year is a very nominal fee that we are charging to our students. So the kind of facilities that we are providing to the students are unmatchable. We do not have a ground, but the kind of sports day we put up, when we were filling the nomination form, we had all these criteria, what all are our achievements over the past 5 years. And this is not for this year. This is, my dear teachers, my dear students, your efforts for the past 5 years that we have been putting forward. I would request our family, I handed over the award to our respected president, the senior most member of the management, without whose support we as a school cannot function. Yes, we are running the school, but without the support from the entire team sitting here, it is not possible. We might have a lot of ideas, but to implement it, we require approvals, we require permission, and most of all, support and cooperation. Thank you very much, sir, for all the support that you have been giving us throughout the years, and I hope this support and cooperation continues in the years to come. At the same time, my dear teachers, I as a principal might have a lot of ideas, might have a lot of vision, but until and unless I get support from you guys, it is not possible for me to move ahead. And I'm very proud to say, in the last 6 months, you have been giving me unconditional support. Thank you very much for all the support that you guys are giving me. July, if I am not wrong, Malika ma'am, correct me if I am wrong, our soldier had come to the school. A soldier who is a Navodaya, a boy from Padwal Nagar, the kind of speech he delivered, the boy who has not been good in his academics at all. At the age of 23, he realized he was doing his engineering. At the age of 23, he realized that he has the potential to go and give the examination for the armed forces. Today, he is the major in the army, and he was a child in our school right from KG. Malika ma'am remembers each and every child. It's not about only Malika ma'am, it's about each and every teacher. We remember each and every child. We remember each and every student. Dear students, when you go out When you are working for your country, we are proud of you because we feel that somewhere we as educators have made slight bit of change or got a difference into the child's life. Teachers, students will forget what you taught them. English, history, geography, maths, Marathi, they will not remember. But how you treat a child in the class, how you make that child feel in the class, that the child will remember throughout. And my dear students, we don't remember average children. We remember extremely good and not extremely notorious. That does not mean you be extremely notorious. Please be extremely good in whatever you do. I don't say bring 100% in your academics. I don't want academics. Everybody cannot do good in academics. But yes, every child has a potential. Understand yourself. Know your strength. Know your weakness. Work on your weakness. When you're doing something, you make mistake. Don't get scared of that mistake. Because mistakes help you to learn. But make sure next time you're not repeating the mistake. And always be very appreciative about the critics. Critical angle is very important. The critics are the ones who are your biggest fans. They're watching you so closely. Imagine they're spending time from their life to point out mistakes in you. Very good. They are giving an opportunity to correct yourself. So make sure whenever you get a critical angle, don't take it negatively. It is an opportunity for you to grow and develop. Until and unless there is growth, there will not be development. And thank you, my dear teachers. Thank you for all the support that you have been giving throughout the last 6 months. Hope it continues. Thank you, my dear students. I might have shouted at you. I might have tried to correct you. I might have tried to make changes in the arrangements. The teacher in charges here, right from Anantesh sir to the speech in charges to all the teachers who have been teaching the students, I might have tried to point out mistakes in you. My apologies, but this is what I wanted, a perfect show which my students have put forward. A big round of applause.